guys, Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I'm going to share with you a little bit of an update about how things are going to be going on my channel. So I'm going to be changing the schedule a little bit around. I'm still going to be kind of doing the same sort of series, but just on different days. Well, I guess just like 2 different days I'm going to switch. But so on my channel, if you've been following me for a while, I usually did manicure Mondays, nail art for a beginner Wednesdays, and nail stamping Fridays. But I haven't really been, I don't know, keeping up with it as much as I would like to, because I've been doing a lot of different collabs and stuff that are on different days, so it kind of went to me having 4 different videos a week, which is kind of hard to keep up with. And then I found by the end of the week that I didn't really want to do the nail stamping Friday because I already just did a stamping design on Tuesday in the collab that I'm in, usually every Tuesday. So I thought I'm going to switch it up, and hopefully this new schedule is going to work out for me. So the new schedule is going to be, I'm still going to have manicure Mondays. So manicure Mondays, if you don't know, are going to be like any new products, so hauls, destashes, it can be stamping designs, any like advanced techniques, you know, like anything really is kind of manicure Monday, I guess. And then Tuesdays are going to be nail stamping Tuesdays instead of Fridays. So it's going to be nail stamping Tuesdays. So that's when I usually do my collabs with the YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly Collabs group I'm part of on Facebook. So it's always going to be a stamping design. If I'm not doing that particular collab that week with that group, I will just feature another stamping design that I've already done or whatever in that Tuesday. And then on Fridays, I am going to be doing the nail art for beginners, so I'm going to be switching that to Fridays instead, because I find I don't know, I wasn't keeping up with it enough, and I think having all those, because I was doing a video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I wouldn't do another one until Friday, so it was kind of getting too much. So I got manicure Mondays, nail art stamping Tuesdays, and nail art for beginners Fridays. So that is going to be my new schedule, so I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm doing on my channel. If you ever want to see something, just let me know. Just leave a comment down below. I always read them. Even if I don't get a chance to comment, I always read them. So leave a comment down below and I can try and definitely do a video for you. So that is all the updates on my channel. But I just got another advent calendar. So I got this advent calendar. I purchased it at Shoppers. I was looking at this one before. It was $40 Canadian, but I got it half price, so I got it for like 20 something, which is great. It is technically a Christmas one, but I don't think it really matters. Like, I think I can still do it. I'm definitely not waiting for Christmas, because I don't see myself waiting like 11 months to open this. I really don't. I don't think that's gonna happen. So I'm gonna ask you guys, do you want me to do like a video on like every door? So it'll be 12 doors, and show you what's inside each of them. I can do it like either on Instagram like I did with the Seat London one, or I can kind of feature them hopefully on here. Let me know, like, what do you want to see? Do you guys want to see what's inside this? I didn't tell you what it was called, but it is a QO by Orly breathable treatment and colors. So it's the 12 days of colorful, healthy nails. I've never actually tried this polish, but I really wanted to, because I wanted to try the breathable types. I think China Glaze has a breathable type, and then Orly has one as well, and I wanted to see if they are really good for your nails. But that is kind of what the box looks like. You can kind of see it. I'll zoom out a little bit. So you got your little, I guess you can take that off. So there's all 12 days on there. If you can see that, maybe not, sort of. It's bigger than, so yeah, it starts with different ones, and it's like pinks and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want to see this, just let me know, like, what's your thoughts on there. It does list all of them on the back here. It kind of tells you what your steps are to do them, and directions and all that kind of stuff. So I've never used any of these polishes, so I don't know what they look like, and I don't have any of these in my collection. So it would be interesting to test them out. So let me know, because I really want to open this and find out what's inside. I've been waiting to do this video so you guys could check out what's inside. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Oh, by the way, so when I'm starting my new schedule, it will be starting as of February 1st. That's when I'm going to switch over my videos and stuff. So before this video goes up, or sorry, after this video goes up, because I'm probably going to post this, I think, on the 31st, which hopefully is today. But yeah, so February 1st, I'm going to start my new schedule. So again, manicure Mondays, nail art stamping Tuesdays, and nail art for beginners Fridays. So I hope you guys are going to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.